Hello, children, welcome back. We are meeting after a long time. So, let us begin our day as we do with the thought. Every phase in our life is bound to teach us something valuable. We all are stuck up at home, but please don't consider that we are stuck up. We are safe at home. Please consider yourself as safe at home. We are not stuck up. We are in our home for our own safety, isn't it? So, that is the important thing we have learned in this pandemic, isn't it? Now, we all are meeting a family. So, today we all are going to meet a family. We have met the members of this family before. In the previous classes, you have met many of the members of this family, but over the period of time, we tend to forget. Let me tell you, we often forget them. So, I hope you all are ready to meet them. These are parts of speech. Let me tell you the word family. You can also consider the parts of speech as the word family of our language. All words in English language belong to this word family. Each member perform a different function. Today we are meeting the first member of the family, that is noun. It is naming word. It names a person, place, animal or thing. Few days back we have played the game of name, place, animal, thing. We started with common noun and proper noun. So we are not going to talk more about common noun and proper noun. But we are just going to revise the next types of noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. We have read about common noun and proper noun in our previous classes. So today, one interesting activity I have given you as homework. I am giving you a word grid in the next slide. Pick out the common nouns and proper nouns. So this is the word grid and everything is mixed. But I have given you only common noun and proper noun. Let us see how many of them you are able to pick up. Our next type of noun is collective noun. It stands for a group of similar things, person or places. It does not start with a capital letter when used in the middle of a sentence. Few examples I have given you. A class of students. We all know that the class cannot consist of one student. There are many. So that is why the collection is called as class. Do you remember our school library? Yes, you do. What is a library? It's a collection of books. Few examples I'll read out for you. A class of students. Collective noun is class. A swarm of bees. Honeybees you must have seen. Always in big number. You must have observed the sky. How many stars are there? We cannot count. Is there only a one star or there are millions of stars? Millions of stars or maybe more than that. So that collection is known as galaxy. A pack of wolves. These animals always live in a group and that is known as pack. A band of musicians. You must have seen the orchestra. Some are playing the flute, some are playing guitar, violin, drum. So together it is known as band. Sometimes we say the audience enjoyed the show. Audience again is a collection of group of people. That is why we call it as audience, isn't it? Our next type of noun is material noun. It stands for material. It can be substance or ingredient for making things. Let us see few examples of material nouns. This is a picture of chair. We all know that chair is made up of wood. So wood is the material used for making this chair. Our material noun here is wood. We all are familiar with this object. It is a mirror and it is made up of the material glass. It's a pan and it is made up of the material iron. Now, when you just look around in your house, you can see many things made up of iron. The windows, the window pane. Our construction of the house is incomplete without the use of iron. So, that is the material used. We all like to eat roti, bread, and what is the material required to make a chapati or bread? We require wheat. So, that is the material. This ornament, this necklace is made up of which material? Correct? It is gold. So, this is about material noun. In the next session, we will learn more about abstract noun and we will solve an interesting example related to it. So, for today's homework, I have given you the word great. Pick out common noun and proper noun. Let us meet in the next session. And let me tell you, we will meet these members of the word family. Like today we are meeting noun. In the next sessions, we will meet other members of the word family and I'll tell you more about them. So let us meet again. That's all for the day. Stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.